Hello, my name is Leah, and I will be giving you an informative speech about cancer. In 2017, an estimated of 1,685,210 new cases of cancer would be diagnosed in the United States. And of those, 595,690 of those will cause death from the disease. We all know someone or have some loved ones that have gone through cancer. Well, by this informative speech today, I'm hoping that we can decrease the chances of others getting cancer by being more informed. So what I'm going to talk to you about today is what cancer is, the stages of cancer, and what treatments and preventions we can do or take to help prevent from getting this disease. So first of all, what is cancer? Well, defined by dictionary.com, cancer is the disease caused by an uncontrollable division of abnormal cells in a part of the body. So cancer cells differ from normal cells. So basically, cancer cells are able to grow out of control and duplicate itself, where normal cells only duplicate when needed or when they are done with their life cycle and are dead. So the reason why cancer cells are so dangerous to us is because they can actually divide without stopping. One thing cancer cells do use is our immune system. You would think that our immune system would protect us against these cancer cells, but realistically what they use is our immune system to help grow and to duplicate even more. So even though our body is trying to fight off these cancer cells, they really can't because they're using our own benefits against us. So along with that, I do have a picture here for you to kind of show you the difference between the two cells. So to your left here is going to be a normal cell, and to the right is going to be a cancerous cell, so you can kind of see the difference between the two. Now, along with the two different cells, there are also two different types of tumors. There is a malignant tumor, which means it is cancerous, and then there's a benign tumor, which means it is not cancerous. So both of these are tumors that are in your body, but they just dictate whether the tumor is cancerous or not and can spread to other places in the body. So next I'm going to be talking to you about now the different stages of cancer. So why we stage cancer is because it's a great way to describe what kind of cancer you have and how far it has grown. So the reason we want to do this is because it'll help determine what kind of treatment you need. It determines how far along you've gotten within your cancer, and it also helps determine how much, chemo, radiation, what types of treatments you're going to need moving forward. So there's two different ways you can stage cancer, and it's the number system and the TNM system. So the TNM system is basically, it stands for tumor node metastasis, and the system describes the size of the initial cancer, so the primary tumor, and whether the cancer has spread to the lymph nodes, and whether it has spread to a different part of the body as well. So that's one ways that doctors use that, but the most common way is the number system. And basically that's giving each of the tumors a different stage number. So there's stage 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1 being you do have a cancer cell or a cancer tumor, but it is small. 4 being that it is a very large tumor and probably has already spread to other parts of the body. So I will kind of show you here another visual of what that could look like. So starting over here at stage 0, there is obviously no tumor. As we grow into stage 1, it's a little smaller, and it gets bigger as it progresses on, 4 being the biggest and affecting all the lymph nodes as well. So with that being said, we should talk about what kind of treatments and preventions we can take to stop getting the cancer. So most common, of course, is surgery to remove the tumor, but depending on what stage you are in, there's also different options for you as well. One of those is chemotherapy, and chemotherapy actually can, depending on the chemo you use, attack the cells. So it could be the outer shell, it could be the nucleus, different parts of the cancer that's being affected. And then the third option as well is radiation therapy. And basically what that does is we shoot radiation into that tumor spot to help shrink the tumor for easy removal. So one of the ways you can prevent cancer is by detecting it early on, going to your doctor, making sure you are getting the checkups that you need. Another one is eating healthy. Eat more fruits and veggies. Try to maintain a healthy diet because that will also help prevent the cancer as well. Try to limit yourself to alcohol and tobacco. That's not the greatest thing for your body to be put in. especially skin cancer as well, protecting yourself by using things such as, sunscreen, hats, protective wear when you do go out in the sun. So, today what we have discussed is what cancer is, the stages of cancer, and what treatments and preventatives you can take to be more aware about the disease. Anyone can be a victim of cancer, but our chances of getting cancer now by being more informed are less, and maybe we can fight it moving forward. Thank you for your time. You guys have a good day.